Hi everyone, it's me again, Ken Sabidia, your virtual tour guide of day-to-day adventure. So today, we're here at Muiwu, and again, ang Coronal with me. So now, it's already actually 3:24 and we're looking for some restaurant where we can eat. There you go. Yes. So that's Dave over there. Dave, Sebastian, Mosqueda, Christelle, my sister, and that's Uncle Dewey over there. So
ay mong nara ang Ducati ko no. So linis na kayo ligyan yung BMW.
So BMW na train. So we're here. So that's the pier on that side, and here we're gonna go out for lunch. Okay, so now here we are. So now I'm using the Insta360 OneX2 as of the moment, and we're going to the falls. And I also have my GoPro 10 here that I'm using. So yes, how does it look like as of the moment? Here we are. Crystal behind me over there, and Dave on that side. So yeah, so we're just gonna follow the road and let's see, let's go all the way to the falls. So the falls that I'm talking about is the Silver Mine Waterfalls. Straight lang. So Silver Mine Waterfalls. So yes, I left my bag because it's quite heavy. And River Silver. So this is the River Silver. You cannot see it on the Insta360 OneX2 because it's quite short, but here it is. Yeah. And Crystal. Oh. So we're gonna, yeah, go Rebels. Go. So yeah. Actually, I forgot where to pass. Let's see. So now, if you wonder how I use this one, okay. So here we are. Hong Kong Olympic Trail is what they call this. And look at the house. Oh, and the temple here. Cool, right? And another one, this thing in front of us. So yeah. Gee. So we're in the right track. And swimming pool on the side. Yeah, empty. So Silver Mine Cave is to that side, straight. Let's go. So this is the Olympic Trail. Again, there's no water from the waterfalls. So now, I think we're a bit lucky to have some water. Or not. Okay, so that, bro. Right. So, yeah. So here we are. And look at the tree. And, woohoo! Park that right, left, bro. Yeah. Yeah. Oh! That's nice. So we have to park our bikes over here. Dili na siguro, bro? Dili na siguro. Okay. So we're gonna go up there. And the good thing about coming here during weekdays is that there's not much people around. Silver Mine Bay Waterfalls. DJI. So I think that's it for the waterfalls. And all the way up there where the Silver Mine Cave is. So there, taas ra. Need to hike up here, because if we're gonna go down here with the bikes, then I don't think our brakes can hold on to us. So it's better to be safe. So now we're walking up.
Yes, better safe than sorry.
Mao gid siya. Katupag sa time motion, di ba? Same gyapon.
Dapat ang ganay.
So yeah, if you haven't seen already, please do check our time motion video where Dave was with me there too.
Yes. Check it out.
Check it out. And if you can press this side here, that's where the video is. So here, this is the Silver Mine Cave. So we're gonna pass this side, and that's where we were earlier down there. Oh, here. Okay, so let's check the Silver Mine Cave, and let's check the stabilization of these two. Yeah. And how's the low light capabilities? Everything's in auto right now, and some light. It's fine. So it's a blood pop. This used to be a mine. It's quite scary. So how is it, guys? Oh yeah. So yeah, that's the Silver Mine Cave. You're not allowed to go all the way because it's blocked off. So this is the only problem that I have with, for now, this is the major problem that I find here of GoPro, because if you want to change the battery, you need to take out the GoPro, like the whole thing, from the mod, so that you can change the battery over here. So the battery that I have here, the extra battery, is the Enduro battery, the new battery that they have, so that we can have a longer usage of the GoPro. So after taking that out and replacing new battery, you have to put it in here and close it, and again connect it using this one, yeah, so this just doesn't make any sense, to be honest, because look, it takes a lot of time to change a battery. And number one problem with the GoPro is that the batteries are so bad, they don't last as long as the Insta360 OneX2. And I have to say, the X2 has one of the best batteries so far in the action camera world. I don't feel like it's stable too. I don't know. I'm going to check this one later. Like cinematic shots, I know, and you're gonna kill me with that term, but I do think if you wanna vlog this way, if this is the GoPro, and if I wanna vlog where I can see and if I want to edit the footage after that, then Insta360 OneX2 is a very cool camera to have just for like this kind of thing, because GoPro, you need to point your camera to that side so that you can see the footage or the view that I want you to see. But for the Insta360 OneX2, your camera could be like this way, that way, or wherever you point your camera, and it should still work really fine. So yeah, it's an amazing camera. So which do you prefer? So guys, quality wise, if you want to have a very good quality video and less editing, then GoPro is for you. But if you want to shoot once and edit after, which takes a lot of time, I tell you, you have to be ready for that. Insta360 X2 is great, but you guys have to choose. But because there's a new camera out from Insta360 as of the moment, the Insta360 One RS, so you've got to choose which camera you're gonna use, whether the RS 4K or the GoPro Hero 10. And I'd say the advantage of the GoPro 10 is that still image quality, but one big advantage of Insta360 RS is that you can change the lens. You can use it like a GoPro, and also you can use it like a what do you call this one, like a Insta360, the Insta360 mod.